Now we are going to see how the Sri Lanka is handling the problem, and later on we will see how the Belgium is handling the problem. So Sri Lanka, they have decided that whatever majority will think, they will do. So majoritarianism in Sri Lanka. First we have to know what is the majoritarianism. In majoritarianism, what is happening? A belief that the majority community should be able to rule a country in whichever way it wants. Who? Who are in majority, whatever way they want, they will rule. They can disregard the wishes and need of the minority. Means what majority will think, in that way they will rule. It is known as majoritarianism. So this is important as a one mark question. You need to memorize this one. Coming to the story, what is happening in Sri Lanka? Sri Lanka became the independent country in 1948. 1947 India is becoming, 1948 Sri Lanka is becoming. Leaders of the Sinhala community sought to secure dominance over government by virtue of their majority. Means who are the Sinhala community leaders? They are thinking that Singhalas are in majority, so if we will make the happy Sinhala peoples, then already we will win the election. By this thinking, they started taking the decisions that are supporting the majority, and they are not taking care of minority issues. Minority issues are who? Tamil speaking peoples. Sri Lankan Tamils and Indian Tamils, their issues they are not taking care. What is happening with this one? Democratically elected government, it adopted a series of majoritarianism measures to establish Sinhala supremacy. Means whatever steps they are taking, in that one they are favoring the Sinhala community peoples. How steps one by one they are taking? In 1956 they are making an act. 1956 they are making an act. In that one they are recognizing the Sinhala as a only official language, disregarding the Tamil language. They are telling now onward in Sri Lanka Sinhala is a official language. And second step what they are doing? The government followed preferential policies that favored Sinhala applicants for university positions and government jobs. Means they are favoring the Sinhala every place, in university admission, in government job also, on the basis of the language they are putting the question, and in a Sinhala language they are preferring, they are disregarding the Tamil language. A new constitution stipulated, in that one, state shall protect and foster Buddhism. We are knowing that Sinhala community peoples, they are the Buddhist peoples. So here also they are appreciating the Buddhism and they are protecting the Buddhism. Every time they are appreciating the Buddhism. We are knowing that Tamil speaking peoples, either they are the Hindu or they are the Muslim. Their problems they are not seeing. These steps are coming one by one. Slowly what will happen? It increased the feeling of alienation among the Sri Lankan Tamil peoples. They are thinking that now we are alone, no one is taking care for us, government is also not helping us, they are taking only majority peoples as a supportive one. So they are feeling that none of the major political parties led by the Buddhist Sinhala leaders were sensitive to their language and culture. Who is thinking that one? Sri Lankan Tamils. They felt that the constitution and government policies denied them equal political right. They are not getting because they are favoring the Buddhist Sinhala speaking peoples, so they are not getting the equal political rights. And also they discriminated. They are feeling, Tamil peoples, they are feeling the discriminated against them in getting job and other opportunities and ignored their interest. Whatever Tamil people's, minority people's interest is there in Sri Lanka, they are ignoring. What will happen with this one? Relations will become very good between the Tamil and Sinhala, or it will become very bad? It is very bad. It is so much tension there. Already we are knowing that Tamil people's concentration is northern part. Tamil people's concentration is in this northern part and eastern part. Here it is Indian Tamils. So what they are taking? This problem is happening. Between the Sinhala and Tamil community strained over time, means their tension become very big. Sharp tension is increasing between these two communities. Now what is happening? These Sri Lankan Tamil peoples, they launched the parties and struggled for recognition of Tamil as official language. They made the political parties. They started demanding the Tamil should also be recognized as a official language. And one more demand they are making: regional autonomy. Regional autonomy and equality of opportunities in securing education and a job. One thing you have to understand: regional autonomy means they are telling that one region should be recognized, one area should be recognized in Sri Lanka, especially the northern part and eastern part, that may be made a separate state. In that one, Tamil peoples are also given the preference, at least in not in whole country, then in that areas where their concentration is more, that should be given the autonomy, means more rights, self rights to them to do like that one. Suppose a state they are demanding, please make a state. Equal opportunities they are demanding in education and job, but their demand of autonomy to provinces populated by the Tamil was respectively repeatedly denied. Means continuously they are demanding, and majority government they are disregarding that one. They are not taking care of that one. In 1980s, what is happening? 1980s, several political organizations several political organizations are formed, and they started demanding that independent Tamil Ilam. Ilam means state. They are demanding a independent Tamil Ilam. Independent state they are demanding. They are telling one independent free area should be there. Independent area. We don't want to live with Sri Lankan. We don't want to live with Sinhala peoples. Independent Tamil state they are demanding. Where they are demanding, they are telling that where our concentration is more, especially in the northern and eastern part of Sri Lanka, that should be made a independent state, that should be the Tamil Ilam. The distrust between two communities turned into widespread conflict. Distrust is between whom? Sinhala and Tamil, especially the Sri Lankan Tamils. Both they are not trusting to each other. They are thinking that they are the problem for us. So they started fighting with each other. Within few days, it turned into the civil war. Civil war means when citizens itself they start fighting to each other. Civil war is also given here in your glossary. Just you see here, a violent conflict between opposing groups within a country. Means within the country that a fight will happen. That becomes so intense that it appears like a war. Actually, war is happening between the two different countries. But here what is happening? Two groups within the country they are fighting, and it is looking like the people are engaged in war. So within the country two groups are fighting, then it is known as civil war. Civilians are fighting to each other. Then what is happening? Thousands of people of both communities have been killed, because the fight is happening where the Sinhala peoples are more. they are killing the Tamilians, and where the Tamilians are more, they are killing the Sinhala peoples. Many families were forced to leave the country as refugees, and many more lost their livelihood. Where the people are less in number, they are leaving their country, they are going to neighboring countries. Sometimes neighboring countries means by sea boats, they came to India also. As a refugee they came, and their life is in danger, and some people are killed there. As you have read in your economics textbook first lesson, that Sri Lanka has excellent economic development record. Education and health also they are doing the bit, but this civil war has turned everything. So till here, what the main thing we get? First thing we are getting that when a majority is dominating, government is also supporting on majority. They are not taking care of minority issues whose number is less. Then country will be united or country may be divided. In country peace will be there or civil war will be there. Civil war condition will be there, and country's unity will be in danger. So this thing is happening in Sri Lanka. Next video will see how the Belgium is tackling the problem. In Belgium also tension is there between French and Dutch. How they are facing the problem.